In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change product ID in WooCommerce. If you've ever needed a fresh product ID for tracking integrations or to resolve conflicts, WooCommerce doesn't let you edit the ID directly. Instead, the clean, reliable way is to create a duplicate of the product, which automatically generates a new ID, then replace the old one if you no longer need it. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading to Products, then select All Products. This is where you'll see your full catalog. Make sure you're logged in with the right permissions and, if possible, work on a staging site or have a recent backup just in case you need to roll anything back. Next, hover your mouse over the product you want to change. You'll see a few quick actions appear under the product name. Click Duplicate. WooCommerce will instantly create a copy of that item for you. This copy is a separate product in your store, and most of its details will be cloned from the original. That duplicate comes with a brand new product ID. You can confirm it by opening the product and checking the ID in the URL of the editor screen, or by using the columns in your product list if you have ID visible. This ID is what WooCommerce uses behind the scenes for orders, reports, and connections to other tools, so the new one is now ready to use. Before you publish, review the duplicated product carefully, update the title if needed, adjust the permalink so it doesn't contain a trailing quote, and verify the SKU, price, inventory, shipping details, attributes, and variations. Double check any linked products like upsells and cross-sells, and confirm your categories, tags, and images carried over correctly. If you rely on analytics, ads, or feeds, note that those systems may treat this as a new item because of the new ID, so keep the SKU consistent if you want continuity. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the new product live. Finally, decide what to do with the old product. If you're sure you don't need it, you can delete it. If you want a safety net, set it to draft or private for a while instead. Remember that any existing orders will still reference the old ID, and removing it won't change past records. If the original product was already indexed or linked anywhere, consider the customer experience and plan for how visitors will find the new page. That's it. You've effectively changed the product ID by duplicating, editing, and replacing the original.